Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 48.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is enunciate. Friends, enunciate means say clearly. Its Hindi meaning is uchcharit karna. Now look at its sentence. She enunciated each word slowly. Its synonym is pronounce. Moving to our next word, quake. Friends, quake means to shake. Its Hindi meaning is bhukamp. Now look at its sentence. The quake destroyed mud buildings in many remote villages. Its synonym is tremble. Look at our next word, rife. Rife means widespread. Its Hindi meaning is fela hua. Now look at its sentence. Corruption was rife before the election. Its synonym is universal. Look at our next word, drawl. Friends, drawl means speak in a slow and lazy way. Its Hindi meaning is dheere dheere bolna. Now look at its sentence. Mr. Peter spoke in a soft drawl. Its synonym is say slowly. The next word is fling. Fling means to throw. Its Hindi meaning is fenkna. Now look at its sentence. Fling this meat to the dogs in the yard. Its synonym is hurl. The next word that I have for you is confiscate. Friends, confiscate means take someone's property by force. Its Hindi meaning is zabt karna. Now look at its sentence. Did the teacher confiscate your toy? Its synonym is seize. Look at our next word, shudder. Friends, shudder means shiver. Its Hindi meaning is kaapna. Now look at its sentence. She still shuddered at the thought of him. Its synonym is vibrate. The next word is babble. Babble means talk in a confused or silly way. Its Hindi meaning is bak karna. Now look at its sentence. Pay no attention to her. She is just babbling. Its synonym is prattle. The next word that I have for you is very. Very means cautious. Its Hindi meaning is savdhan. Now look at its sentence. Be wary of strangers who offer you a ride. Its synonym is careful. Last but not least is dispelled. Dispelled means eliminated. Its Hindi meaning is hatana. Now look at its sentence. The government has moved to dispel the rumors. Its synonym is dissipate. It's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of tremble? A. Shake, B. Universal, C. Pronounce, D. Seize. Give me answer of this question in comment box.